Hi, I'm Kelly Rader from Defining Purpose. I'm so excited today to tell you about my First Steps workshops. These workshops are designed for churches looking to build or to restart a women's ministry. I was finding a couple years ago as I traveled around to different parts of BC and Canada doing speaking that many churches didn't have a women's ministry director or pastor on staff, and that many churches maybe had a woman leading a Bible study and someone else leading a mom's group, but no one was really getting them to the table to share resources, share leaders, to provide mentoring opportunities. And so I thought maybe God might want me to write a workshop that could help churches and help these women to get some training, some leadership development, so that they could be doing their job well in leading women in local churches. How did I learn what I needed to know to start this workshop? Well, I started by accident a registered charity that ran for 10 years. And I say by accident in that I was trying to just spread a mom's program to different churches in different cities as my own business. And when I went to register the name, the government wrote back and said, actually, sounds like you're trying to start a society. And so now you need a board of directors and you need constitution and bylaws and all of these things that I had no idea how to do. And so over a 10-year period, this ministry ran for mothers. And I learned so many things the hard way. And I so many times wished I had had a mentor that would teach me some of the things I needed to know for running a ministry program and building it properly. So this First Steps workshop is for churches looking to build or rebuild their women's ministry, looking to give their team of women's ministry leaders some formal kind of training. In this workshop, the women bring with them the church's vision and mission statements, and we build vision statement for their women's ministry around that. We look at building teams and how do you choose team members and what to look for. We look at event planning from the desired outcome and working backwards so that you can plan the right kind of event to get the outcome you want. We spend about an hour and a half looking at resolving conflict, because I think that's something as Christians, sometimes we don't do that well. And so we're going to look at resolving conflict. We're going to do some role plays even and learn how to do some active listening. We also look at running effective meetings. Many women who get pulled in to lead in these kind of positions have never written an agenda or planned a meeting, or maybe have not been part of a leadership team before. And so this just takes so much of the mystery out of leading well and will help build some key foundational elements into your women's ministry and really strengthen women's ministry that you even have already going. I want to invite you to try one of my live workshops. I'm coming to different cities this fall and in the new year of 2019, as well as I'm going to be doing 2 live online workshops in November on Saturday. So you can just gather your team around a computer at the church or someone's living room. I send you the materials for the workbook ahead of time. And you just get together with your team, have some refreshments and lunch together, and we'll do a really fun, interactive, high-energy day with lots of great interaction and facilitation. So please join me for First Steps Building Vibrant Ministry. Would love to have you take part and to get some tools in your tool belt for leading your women's ministry well. God bless.